This is a 20mm bolt pad, and this is a 22mm bolt pad. I will attach this 20mm bolt pad to the 22mm bolt pad by overlapping three 22mm bolt pads like this, and place 20mm bolt pads on both sides. Then I weld it one layer at a time. And it will come out like this. Now I take it to the lathe. I lathe it looks like this. Now I mix the iron foil to seal the holes. Then I close the hole with this iron foil. I have to leave it dry. After drying it, I have to smooth it out again. I'm ready now. And this is a small bearing with a size of 608Z. I put it inside this hole. This is a flat iron. This flat iron, I will bend it and cut it to fit with the steel wheel. I bend it like this. Now I mark the intersection to make a hole. And the hole I had to drill was 5mm. Now I use a 12mm bolt to lathe, and drill a 5mm hole. After drilling, I cut it to the specified length. Then I trim the same 12 mm nut to make it a little thinner. Bolts and nuts are now ready. And this is the flat iron that is bent and pierced, whereas this side is a finished steel wheel. Bolts and nuts are placed here. And the bent iron, I have to put it like this. Now I need to cut a 5 mm steel rod to make the axis. This is a 12 mm long bolt with nuts. I will weld together. By welding it is like this. I have to weld it like this. And I have to cut 12 mm bolts to 110 mm length, and attach it here. Now I start assembling them together. The idler section is now complete. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to click subscribe, and watch the next video.